Good morning. I, Jinal Thakur. We will be learning mathematics together. I know I am new face for you, but don't worry, we will have a great friendship ahead. So let's start the session. I will be teaching mathematics in your class. The chapter first is number and numeration. Part 1. Okay. We come across large numbers in our day-to-day life. We come across daily numbers. We deal with numbers. Like for example, what is your birth date? Birth date is a number. How many chocolates you ate in a day? That's a number. Which is the date today? That is a number. Ma'am or mama, I need this money. Money is a number. Okay? मम्मा मैं आधे घंटे तक टीवी देखूंगा, उसके बाद मैं स्टडी करने बैठूंगा. That आधा घंटा, you can say 30 minutes is also a number. We daily play with numbers or we daily deal with numbers. Okay? We have already learned about numbers up to lakhs in class 4. You are very smart. You know the lakhs. Okay? So let's see. Let us revise them. The first activity will be your revision exercise, or you can say activity. Aapki first exercise and activity, one and the same thing you can say. That exercise will be totally the revision of 4th standard. Okay? Let's start. Filling the blanks. I know you know the answers. Okay? Largest 5-digit number is? Sorry? Yes, you are right. You have learned in this 4th standard. The largest 5-digit number is 99,999. Now, wait, let me read the question and then you reply to me. Smallest 6-digit number is? Yes, you are right. 1 lakh. You are so smart. I know every child is good very much in standard 4. Okay, I know you also know this. But let's we discuss, okay? Write the numbers in figures. In this, we are supposed to read the first question and then we are supposed to write this in figures, in numbers. 79,000. So, 79,000. 797. 797. Okay. Let's take the second question. 4,57,708. 4,57,000. 57,000. Okay, I use comma. 708. 708. You had a query. Remember the zero you used here because in the question there is no tens number. Like आप देख सकते हो 797. 90 stands for tens. But in this we don't have tens. Directly ones is given. Okay? And now you remember the order: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, let's recall it again. This is the number: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. अगर इससे भी आगे नंबर होता तो हो जाता 10 lakh. Okay, so here we complete our second question in the first activity. Let's move to third. In this you are supposed to write the number name. The first question is 3,25,173. If you know how to pronounce the number, you also know how to write the number. In which way we pronounce the number, in that same way we write the number. Okay, as I pronounced 3,25,173. In the same way I will write here 3,25,173. 3,25,173. Okay. Let's move on second question. 54,005. 54,005. Because हमने डायरेक्ट 1000 से हमने डायरेक्ट वंस में जंप किया. क्यों? क्योंकि ना ही मेरे पास 100 से ना ही मेरे पास 10 से. So directly I jumped to ones. Okay. So here we complete our third question. Write the number name. Now let's move for fourth question. Oh, I know this is your favorite one. When I was a kid, I was like that. This question comes around. Wow, it's my game time. For this question, I used to play like a game. Write in expanded form. In this, you have to write in expanded form. One is done for you, and second, you will be doing with me. As I read, in the same way, I will add it. 78,290. 78,290. 70,000 plus 8,000 plus 200 plus 90. Understood? और अब मैं आपको शॉर्टकट सिखाती हूँ जो मेरे को मेरी मैम ने सिखाया. Let's start this with first number. The first number is 5. I will write here 5, comma. How many numbers are there after 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will add 5 zeros over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 5 is gone. Now it's turn of 4. I will write here 4. 4 के बाद कितने numbers हैं तो मैं 0 ऐड करती हूँ. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will add 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will say bye to 4. Now it is the turn of 3. What we will be doing? We will add. We will write 3 and we will count the numbers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Plus 1,079. Sorry, 179. When I am saying 100, I will add 100 here. 79. 70 plus 9. I know you know this. Okay. Should I move further? In this question, we are supposed to use 3 signs. Greater than, less than, or equal to. Let's start. You can have a look easily. You can get idea of proper image. In this, 7 is same. 7,03,135. In this, 7,02,000. In this, there was 3,000. In this, there was 2,000. So, which is greater, 3,000 or 2,000? Yes, you are right. 3,000 is greater. Now, in this, 5,61,179. In this, 6,61,179. 5 lakh, 6 lakh. Which is greater? Yes, you are right. 6 is greater. Now in this, see, as you just give a look, now you can see almost the number are same. But when you read it, you come to know the difference. 48,535. 535 was the last 3-digit number. In this, 48,355. In this, there was a 5. In this, there was a 3. Which one is greater? This one. Okay. You are so smart. You already know this. Ma'am, we have done it 4th standard. Okay, I know. Let's do this. 73. The remaining numbers will be as it is. That 3,13,472 के बाद 73. 3,13,474. 3,13,475. 3,13,476. Okay. So let's start. Next one. 38,897. 97 के पहले क्या आएगा? 96. Okay. 38,896. 38,897 is already given. Now we need to write these two. We need to fill these two. 3, 8, 8. What will be the next? 38,898. 38,899. 38,900. Okay, let's move further. Oh, अब तो टॉम एंड जेरी आपको थैंक यू बोलने आ गए. So that's all for today. We have covered 6 topics in this video. If you have any doubt, you can review the video or you can clear the doubts with me as well. So till that, take care, eat healthy food, play a lot and have fun. And also don't forget to remember these all topics which we covered today. Till that, take care. Bye. God bless you.